Hello and welcome to this amazing and free course proudly brought to you by CodeDevPay Academy. In this course, you have an introduction to Canva, a beginner's guide to create designs with Canva. What will you gain from this course? 1. Understand what Canva is and its purpose. 2. You will create a Canva account and navigate the dashboard. You learn how to identify the main design tools and features. You also create basic designs using templates, text, elements, and images. You also learn how to save and share design effectively. Introduction to Canva. Now, introduction. Canva is a free web-based graphic design tool used for creating social media graphics, presentation, posters, documents, and more. There is a web version or an app for all operating systems. Let's get started with Canva. Now, how do I sign up on Canva? You can sign up to Canva or create an account by using your email, your Google or Apple ID. You also have the Facebook. Okay, so let's have an understanding of the Canva interface. So display on my screen here is the Canva interface. We have on my far left hand side the number 1 to be the main menu. It contains tabs that can be used to navigate different sections in Canva. Right after it is number 2, that's the design menu. This is where you can go when you want to create a design. You can also see a list of your recent designs. We have on top number 3. Here is the account and search bar. It contains the account name, the search bar, notifications, and settings. Right below it is number 4. That's the design types. It contains a list of the types of design that can be made with Canva. And below it is the recent design. It shows a list of users' recent designs. Now, display on my screen here is the editor screen. Okay, so at my far left hand side is number 1. That's the side panel. It contains the elements, the photos, the project, etc. On top of it is number 2. That's the toolbar. It shows the name of the designs, file menu, and activities currently going on. That's the editing, commenting, or viewing. Okay. The larger screen here is number 3. That's the Canva design area. This is where the actual design takes place. Now let's create a design in Canva. Now to create a design in Canva, you need to choose a template. So choosing a template is the first and important step to follow when creating a design. After that, we move to the editing of the text and font. We then insert elements, upload images, add backgrounds and colors, save and download the design. Now, how do you choose a template? At the search bar, for example, I will search for Instagram posts. So, upon searching for Instagram posts, there will be many templates displayed. So, which will be chosen based on personal preference. So, after selecting a template, you need to click on the customize templates now. So after customizing the templates, now we have the main editor's interface displayed, where the font size, the font color, alignment, and everything can be changed. Inserting elements such as shapes, icons, etc. can also be added to the design. To add these elements, navigate to Elements on the side panel and search the type of element that you want to add to the design. To upload images. To add photos or pictures to a design in Canva, you need to first upload them. Click on Upload on the side panel. Select the image that you want to use and click Open. The image will be uploaded. After that, click on the uploaded image to use it on your design. After completing the design, you need to save and download the design. Saving and downloading the design. There are various formats to download a design in Canva. Some of these are the JPEG, we have the PNG, PDF format, GIF, we have the PPTX and MP4. We have the design tips. You have to keep it simple, use a consistent palette, align elements properly. Now let's have a recap of what we've learned. 1. We look at what Canva is used for. 2. We exploit the interface of Canva. We customize a template and saved and downloaded the design. Thank you very much for joining us in this course.